So now we're going to look at C. It says locate at least 3 pairs of corresponding sides. There's 9 in all. Write and simplify the ratio of each pair of corresponding sides in the order of copy over original. So we need to locate 3 of them. So I'm going to go back over here to, let's try that again. There we go. So I'm right here. So I'm going to go back over. I'm flipping this over. So I'm going to find 3 pairs of corresponding sides. So the first pair of corresponding sides that I personally am going to try is, again, my favorite. So I have this guy right here and that guy right there, because again, corresponding means it's matching. So when we write this, we want to remember that it is copy over original. Sometimes that throws kids off, and that's why we labeled the shapes. CPM actually doesn't tell you to do that, but my experience is that it's important to label them so we remember which one's which. So this guy right here is my copy, and that one's my original. So I have 1 over 2. Okay. Now I'm going to find another side. I have 4 on my original and 2 on my copy. So I have 2 on the copy, excuse me, and 4 on the original. So I'm now going to divide by their common factor, which is 2 over 2 because they're both even. It definitely has a 2 in common. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is also 2. So I get to pick a third one. Actually, I'm going to have you do that. Pick a third side, a third corresponding side. Remember, corresponding means matching, so it needs to be in the same position. So whatever side that you pick should be reduced down also to 1/2, which is what we should notice down here in just a moment. Don't forget about this guy right here. You should have 1 more. So it says for delta, compare the ratios for each pair of corresponding sides with the scale factor. Remember, our scale factor was 50%. What do you notice? How do your ratios compare to the scale factor? So here we have our ratios. What do we notice about that in the scale factor? Hopefully you noticed that they are equivalent. They are the same. They are equal. %, it's the same as 50 over 100, which is equivalent to 1/2 because we would divide by 50 over 50. Okay?